How to withdraw money from Wise to your bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about withdrawing money from Wise to your bank account. It's a very easy process, so now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to Wise. But before that, you need to go ahead and log into your specific account. Now once you're logged in, you need to go ahead and set up your bank account in Wise. So to do this, you need to go to recipients and then my accounts, and here you will find the option to add your bank account. And after you add it, your money will automatically be withdrawn to your bank account within few minutes. Wise is pretty fast. It does not take days like other platforms. Your money will be transferred to your bank account instantly because Wise does not have a wallet system like PayPal. Your money won't be collected in a Wise wallet. It will be automatically sent to your bank account. So that's how Wise works and how you can set it up and share or withdraw your money from Wise to your bank account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.